There we are, so we've now got our square foot garden trellis pro-formerised. That's a big word for me this time of the day, but I'm not sure it's the right word particularly, but anyway, it's my word. So what I've done is I've segmented the raised flower bed now into, they're not quite square foot squares, but it doesn't really matter. The idea is that you can put one cabbage in, or a few carrots, or a few lettuce, or something like that. So you choose what you put in each of the different spaces. Just makes life a bit more interesting for some gardeners, and it also means you can concentrate on a lot of different vegetables, and especially if you're using cut and come again type lettuce and things like that, it's ideal because you can just plant them in successions. The key to it is getting the squares roughly square. These are just slightly different, but I use a measuring stick like that to get the spaces correct. And there's another one at the other end there, but basically it looks reasonably accurate to me, and it's all tannalised batten. We've used today 38 by 25mm tannalised battening. You can int the 50 by 25mm, but I didn't see the point really, because this is not structural, it's really just purely as a template to allow you to plant within. I hope you enjoy it. Right, so this is the next method to produce a pond. This is only a pond really suitable for marginal plants, not for fish because it's not really deep enough for that. But we're going to put an insulation material in the bottom and up the sides, and then put a polythene or butyl liner up here and over the edges, and then we're going to clamp it down with this decking which we've cut to size, and then that'll make a nice little finish to the plastic edging or polythene edging, and it'll also make a little seat for you to sort of perhaps enjoy the pond. And a very simple method. If you did decide you wanted the pond for fish, then the idea would then be to dig it a lot deeper, maybe not necessarily all of it, but a section of it. So it's probably, I guess you'd look it up in a book, but 2'6" deep, so 80 centimetres or so, depends when you run out of energy really, but hopefully then the fish have got somewhere to hide and hibernate and turn themselves off over the colder parts of the winter. If you found this video at all interesting or useful, please do give it the thumbs up, and please do subscribe, and then I can continue to help Acorn Children's Hospice Worcester and Mind. Thank you to the 300,000 viewers who have supported me so far. Thank you so much.